Hello. In this video, we're going to go ahead and look at solving the following equation exactly. We want to solve the square root of 2x plus 15, and then outside the radical we have minus x minus 6 equals 0. So the first step is to get the radical completely by itself, which means to move the x and the 6 to the right-hand side. So we're going to get the square root of 2x plus 15 is equal to x plus 6. And notice that that gets the radical by itself. And now that we have the radical by itself, we're going to go ahead and square both sides. Doing so is going to give just 2x plus 15 on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, square the x, square the 6, which gives us x squared, and then plus 36 at the end, but we still need that middle term. X times 6 is 6x, and then double the 6 gives us 12x. Excellent. And now we just have a quadratic equation that we want to solve. Move the 2x and the 15 to the right-hand side, which gives us a 0 on the left. Then we have x squared plus 10x. What is that? Plus 21. And then factor. 0 equals x plus, and then x plus. What multiplies to 21 and has a sum of 10? Well, that's 3 and 7. Then set each factor equal to 0 and solve. Subtract 3, subtract 7. So x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 7. Awesome. It's at this point that we need to check our solution, our solutions, to see if either one actually are solutions. In this case, we're going to start out with x equals negative 3, plug that into the original equation, and that's going to give us the square root of 2 times negative 3 plus 15, and then minus negative 3 minus 6. And we're hoping that all of this, when you simplify it, is equal to 0. My recommendation is just to go ahead and type all of this into the calculator and just see what it gives you. But let's do this the hard way. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 15 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Minus negative 3 is plus 3. And minus 6 at the end. So that gives us 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 6 is 0, which gives us 0 equals 0. Awesome. It looks to me like x equals negative 3 is in fact a solution. Next, let's look at x equals negative 7. Plugging this in, we get 2 times negative 7 plus 15, and then minus negative 7 minus 6, we're hoping is 0. Good. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Negative 14 plus 15 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Minus a negative is plus. So it gives us 1 plus 7 is 8 minus 6 is 2. And notice that 2 does not equal 0, so I have to reject that negative 7. And there you go. That is the solution. Awesome. Now we wanted to go ahead and see that just because you get negative values, that does not necessarily mean that that is not the solution to the original equation. Okay, so just be careful with that. Alrighty. Well, I believe that is it for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Have fun.